All right, guys, 22 Range Rover SVR or SVJR. Here we go. This is what it sounds like before. Give it gas. Still sounds good. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 99.3. Again. So we're gonna do a resonator delete on it. Give it a little bit more sound. Stay tuned. So Range Rover SVR, beautiful car. Let me show you guys what it looks like under there before. So it's got cats on it. One there, one there. Then it goes into this resonator we're gonna take out. And this two resonators we're gonna take out. So we're gonna take both of these resonators out and replace them with an X pipe. My guy just bought in. There's a part number, SXP4 X pipe right there. So, and you guys, as you guys can see, it's a true flow X pipe. Right there. And we're going to take the second two resonators and put pipe in their place. And then leave the stock mufflers with the valve stock mufflers. There and there. All right. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you guys like it. It's going to make a huge difference once it's done. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we showed you what it sounded like before. What it looked like before. Now it's time to show you what we have done. Here we go. So converters stay there and there. As you guys can see, we took that nasty resonators out and put an X pipe in its place right there. And the secondary resonators, we took them off and put straight pipe in their place. There's part number SXP4 for the X pipe. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then the pipes continue, and then the valve exhaust on one side. You guys can't see it, it's on the back of it, but up there, right there, a little cute. So when the valve opens, it goes straight through there. When the valve is closed, it goes through all this muffler setup. It's crazy design, but cool. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the resonator. There's the two other resonators that were on. So we took them all off. Tip stayed the same. Everything else stayed the same. They're massive too. Range Rover SVR. Stay tuned. All right, so this is first with the valves closed. Oh, it sounds better already. Already made a huge difference. Sounds so much better. Remember, guys, that's valves closed. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 99. Go ahead and open them. Go ahead and open them now. Sounds different. Let's see if sound decibel is different. Go ahead. Yeah, now it's 102. Oh. Come on, rev it like this. What a beat. This sounds good, though. I'll let you guys hear on the inside while it's inside the shop. It's quieter. Guys, look how pretty this car is. I love the two-tone with the light blue outside, dark lipstick red, woo, moon roof, and one looks amazing. Hey, his hat, his beanie matches that. Look at that.
We were meant to be.
You guys are meant to be. All right, I'll buy it for you for Christmas, Juan. It'll be your next Christmas present.
Next Christmas present?
If we hit 1 million subscribers, we might buy it.
Bro.
For the shop.
Freaking press the button, man. Press the subscribe.
Subscribe, damn it!
God.
Range Rover SVR. It sounds good. You know there's valves on it to open and close too. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Let you hear it, bro. I love the color combo, man. That color is beautiful. Go ahead. Much better. It's perfect. That's valves closed. Again. Go ahead and open the valves. You start hearing the barble. Oh, I love it. It's clean. All right. Range Rover SVR. Beautiful automobile. Ready to hit the streets now. Got more barble, more noise. I love the valves on it. Quiet when you want, loud when you want. And all that stuff you see, the salt. Silver bullet. For real, man. Beast mode. Wow. All that exhaust static, guys. You can still hear it. Woo. What a beaut. Enjoy, guys.